So we're back now approximately 72 hours later with our two imprinted concrete driveways, and I'm emphasising that 72 hours because even in good conditions you should be, from the time of cleaning to the time of sealing and restoring, leaving at least 36 hours of drying time between the cleaning and the sealing process. Remember, what you're doing, you're pumping water into the concrete. It might appear like it's dried very quickly, but if there's any moisture still in the ground, you can seal that in, and that can cause a surface whiteness, which can be fixed, but of course best avoided.